Did you know that Sagittarius women are known for their wild, adventurous spirit and crave freedom more than almost any other sign? If you can keep up with her, you might just win her heart. But it's not as easy as it sounds. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into how to make a Sagittarius woman fall in love with you. Sagittarius women are known for their unique blend of independence, intelligence, and spontaneity. They value their freedom and seek excitement in every part of life, making them an exciting but challenging partner to win over. Understanding her zodiac sign can give you a powerful edge in developing a deeper, more meaningful connection. If you're ready to explore what makes her tick and how to capture her heart, stick around. Now, before you get too confident, let's talk about some of the challenges that come with pursuing a Sagittarius woman. One of the biggest obstacles people face is her deep need for independence. Sagittarius women don't want to be tied down or feel trapped in any way. If you come on too strong or try to limit her freedom, she'll pull away. There's also the commitment issue. She might shy away from relationships that feel too serious too fast. Sagittarius women need time to feel secure before they even think about settling down. So, how do you break through these barriers and make her see that you're the one worth sticking around for? To appeal to a Sagittarius woman, you need to first understand her key traits. She's adventurous and always up for trying something new. That means you'll need to show her you're just as willing to explore the world, whether that's through travel, learning new skills, or even debating fresh ideas. The second thing you need to know, honesty is non-negotiable. Sagittarius women value truth above all else, so any sign of dishonesty will have her running for the hills. Lastly, she's a thinker. She craves intellectual stimulation, so keeping conversations light and superficial won't cut it. Engage her with meaningful, thought-provoking discussions that allow her to flex her mental muscles, and she'll be intrigued. Now, a quick tip: don't forget to surprise her. Planning spontaneous dates or taking her on an unexpected adventure will appeal to her love for unpredictability. Just remember, while she loves a good thrill, she also values genuine emotional connection, so make sure you're showing her your authentic self while keeping things exciting. Let me share a quick story about a friend of mine who was in a relationship with a Sagittarius woman. He was someone who loved routine and structure, but he realized early on that to keep her interested, he had to let go of control. So he took her on a surprise weekend road trip. No set plans, just the two of them exploring new places and seeing where the road took them. She loved the freedom of it and was touched by how he was willing to step out of his comfort zone for her. Over time, this built a deep bond between them because he embraced her need for spontaneity while also offering her the emotional depth she craved. That balance is key. To sum up, if you want to win the heart of a Sagittarius woman, it's all about finding that perfect balance between adventure and authenticity. Embrace her free spirit, give her the space she needs, and keep things intellectually stimulating. Be honest, spontaneous, and open-minded, and you'll find yourself forming a connection that's not only exciting, but long-lasting. Have you ever dated a Sagittarius woman? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other video on zodiac compatibility to see if you and a Sagittarius are truly meant to be. If you're still looking for ways to make a Sagittarius woman fall for you, here are a few bonus tips. 1. Respect her independence. Never try to hold her back or make her feel like you're controlling her. A Sagittarius woman thrives when she feels like she has room to grow, explore, and be herself. 2. Embrace humor. Sagittarius women have a great sense of humor and love people who can make them laugh. Be playful, witty, and don't be afraid to joke around with her. 3. Stay active. Whether it's hiking, traveling, or just trying new experiences together, Sagittarius women appreciate partners who are willing to stay on the move. Stagnancy in life or in a relationship will turn her off quickly. Remember, patience is key. It might take some time to break through her walls, but once she sees that you're someone who matches her energy and respects her need for adventure and honesty, she'll open her heart to you in ways you never imagined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more insights into astrology and relationships. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. Let's get a conversation going. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more zodiac compatibility tips. See you in the next one.